part. Atoms. Now what is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. I have said first only the smallest, the tiniest and tiniest particle is nothing but atom. In Hindi we called it Parmanu. And the atom is the smallest particle. See, smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. That atoms can take part in a chemical reaction. Atoms are nothing but building blocks of matter around us. Atoms makes the particles and particles makes the matter. In matter it contains particles and particle contains atoms. Reverse forward I am going, so don't get confused. Atoms make particles and particles make matter. You can see this mason is putting the bricks. It is building a wall. The atoms theory is just like the building of walls. Just as bricks are building blocks of all the houses, atoms are the building blocks of all the matter. As the bricks are building blocks of houses, atoms are the building blocks of matter. And this theory of atom was given by the scientist John Dalton. He was the first scientist who gave the theory of atoms. So now some points are there about the atoms. Now moving to the first point, atoms are very small in size. Atoms are very small in size. We cannot see through them our naked eye, means directly we can't see through our eyes. Atoms cannot be seen even under powerful optical microscope. Atoms cannot also be seen under the powerful optical microscope. It can be only seen under the tunneling microscope. It can be only seen under the tunneling microscope, and that also the images are not very much clear. So when we are moving to second point, the size of an atom is indicated by its radius, which is called atomic radius. The size of the atom is indicated by its radius, which is called atomic radius. Atom is assumed to be circle in shape, and circle has a radius. So it has somewhat atomic radius, and the size of atom is indicated by nothing but atomic radius. Atomic radius is measured in nanometers. Atomic radius is measured in nanometers. 1 nanometer is nothing but 1 by 10 to the power 9 meter, means 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. It is a very nanoparticle which can't be seen under the powerful optical microscope. It can be seen under the tunneling scanning microscope, and it also means it is not clearly, it is seen indirectly only. And hydrogen atom is the smallest of all atoms. Hydrogen atom is smallest of all atom. Here the size, atomic radius is given, and example is given. Atomic radius of hydrogen atom is 10 to the power minus 10. Atomic radius of water molecule is 10 to the power minus 9. Atomic radius of hemoglobin molecule is 10 to the power minus 8. Okay, so let's move towards atomic mass of an atom. Now what is the atomic mass of an atom? Mass of an atom is concentrated in its nucleus, and it is due to the protons and neutrons. See, when this is an atom contains neutrons, protons, and these are the circular orbits. In that circular orbits, according to the electronic configuration, there is a electrons. There are electrons present, and this part is nothing but nucleus, and nucleus contains protons and neutrons, and protons and neutrons together are called nucleons. Now what is atomic mass number? What is atomic mass number or the mass of an atom. It is nothing but number of protons plus number of neutrons. Number of protons plus number of neutrons. Now example, if we are seeing carbon 12. The name of a carbon is itself the carbon 12. It has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Here it has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. You have not given this further studying of these electrons. When it will come, I will make you understand that. Okay. So 6 protons and 6 neutrons are there. So when we are adding number of protons plus number of neutrons, means 6 plus 6 gives us 12. Atomic mass number is 12. Now what is atomic mass unit? See, in 19th century, what happened? The relative mass of atom was calculated on the reference of mass of hydrogen atom. But as soon as the scientists found some changes, found some inventions, they found that in 1961, means as the time changes, there were many atoms were taken as reference point, but none of them were successful in proving all the masses of all the elements. Now, finally in 1961, the carbon atom was selected as the reference atom. Carbon atom was selected as the reference atom, and so that's why the formula becomes somewhere the formula becomes atomic mass unit is equal to 1 by 12 the mass of a carbon atom. 1 by 12 the mass of a carbon atom. See, the atomic mass unit is 1 by 12 the mass of a carbon atom. Example, if atomic mass of magnesium is 24 U means unit. If the atomic mass of a magnesium is 24 unit, it indicates that one atom of magnesium is 24 times heavier than 1 by 12 of a carbon 12 atom. This carbon 12 is just nothing but just a name of that carbon 12 atom. And क्या होता है यहाँ पर, हिंदी में समझाना चाहता हूँ थोड़ा आपको ताकि आप कंफ्यूज ना हो. एटॉमिक मास ऑफ मैग्नीशियम कितना है? 24 यूनिट. वन एटम ऑफ मैग्नीशियम इज, व्हाट डज इट स्टेट्स, ये क्या कहता है? मैग्नीशियम का एक एटम 24 गुना वजनदार है. 24 गुना वजनदार है किससे? 1 by 12 ऑफ ए कार्बन 12 एटम. कार्बन 12 एटम का मास जो है उसके मास का 1 by 12 लेंगे. कार्बन 12 के एटम का जो मास है, एक एटम का जो मास है उसका 1 by 12 से कंपेयर करेंगे तो इट इज 24 टाइम्स हेवियर. समझे? 24 गुना वजनदार है. सो when we are moving to relative atomic mass of one hydrogen atom compared to the carbon atom, it is nothing but when we are doing 1 by 12 into 12. What is the atomic mass of carbon atom? It is nothing but 12. It is nothing but 12, means 1 by 12 the mass of a carbon atom. Mass of a carbon atom is 12, and 1 by 12 we get 1, and this is nothing but relative atomic mass of hydrogen atom. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, carbon is 12, oxygen is 16. I have given in the further tables. So now this is the last part, chemical symbols of elements. Chemical symbols of elements. Dalton was the first scientist to represent the elements in symbol. Who was the first scientist? Dalton was the first scientist to represent the elements in symbol. He was the first scientist who gave the atomic theory also, that atoms are present. Now see, how did Dalton give the symbols? For hydrogen a circle and dot, for carbon fully black dot, for oxygen simple circle, For copper, circle and between C. For iron, circle and between I. In this way, he has given symbols to each and every element. But now we are not using that symbols. We are not using that symbols. We are today using the symbols determined by IUPAC. It is nothing but International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It is an International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. And which method this is using? This is using the method given by J.J. Berzelius. This person is J.J. Berzelius, John Jacob Berzelius, the scientist who proposed the scientist who has given the method of naming the element. Now, how to name the element? How to name each and every element? The method states that the symbol is given. The symbol is given either by the first letter. First letter means hydrogen, H, boron, B, carbon, C, nitrogen, N, oxygen, O, and or first and another letter of the name. Means somewhere helium is there. If we are giving same name, H for hydrogen and H for helium, it does not differentiate the two elements. So hydrogen is represented by H and helium is represented by He. See, here you can see hydrogen is represented by H and helium is represented by He. Boron is given by first name, first letter B, carbon by first letter C, oxygen by first letter O, fluorine by first letter F. But here, same here, lithium is given by Li, first and second letter, beryllium is given by Be. And somewhere the first letter is taken or in between some letter is taken, or somewhere you can find that the letter is only different from the symbol is only the different from the word. Now see, iron is called as ferrous and from that ferrous Fe is taken. Okay, now silver is here and the symbol of silver is Ag. Somewhere it does not match, but it matches with their scientific names and anything. So the silver is Ag. Similarly, gold, he would have written G or Geo, but he has not written Geo. It is represented as Au. The scientific name should be different, so that's why it is represented as Au. Mercury, He. So students, here you can see hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Okay. See students, here it is given atomic number, element, symbol and atomic mass. In this sequence you have to learn first 20 elements, their names, their symbols and their atomic mass. It is given here. Okay, so first 20 elements, up to 20 you have to learn, and after that these are some important elements which I have given here. Some atomic number is given, element is given and symbol is given. Okay, so thank you students very much